Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'll be doing something a little different. This is my first 3D printed plane. It's the Eclipson Model A. Now, I started printing this I think about a year ago. I had most of it finished, just the control rods and finishing touches were missing. I finished it a couple months ago, but then I've had several setbacks. When I was about to go out and fly it, did a test, and at full throttle the motor mount broke. So I ordered some PETG. This was all initially printed out of PLA. So I ordered some PETG, which is tougher, and printed the motor mount for that. Then a few weeks ago I made it out to fly it, just to find that one of the aileron servos was coming loose from its mount, so reprinted those in PETG as well, and hopefully it will hold up now for the maiden flight. Now, if you would like to try printing this plane yourself, Eclipson offers it as a free download on their website without the landing gear. If you want the full package with the landing gear files, then you have to pay for it. But I did find this landing gear design on Thingiverse, so I printed that also for free just to try it out. Now, since I've printed this, I've also got some lightweight PLA. I printed other planes with it, and I like that material a lot. I haven't flown those planes, but you'll probably see me trying at least to fly them in the future. And if this flies well, maybe I'll try to reprint it in lightweight PLA as well. It's really a nice design. Not a big fan of the rubber band holding the wings. Never liked that, but my goal was to... that's the design, first of all. I can really change that. And I wanted to see how cheap I can build this. Just had some old spare servos lying around, and motor, prop, ESC, got them off Banggood for $20–30. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous, not even more than a bit, but let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's not the last time we see this in one piece. Okay, moment of truth. Not gonna lie, very, very nervous. Let's go. Okay, don't have a back wheel. Just a wire for it to skid on. Worst case, I'm gonna try hand launching it, although I'm not a big fan of doing that. Let's try again. Oh. Yeah, this landing gear isn't the best. Yeah, this wheel's stuck. Should have put some collars on, stop collars on the inside. But hey. That's part of the fun when you build something. Should I try that direction? Ooh. Okay. That's not really working. Controls still work. So, you know what? Let me try and hand launch it. Ooh, the front part here cracked, but that's just oh, no, the whole motor mount cracked. Let me put it down and show you. Just gonna try and hand launch it. Probably I'll reprint it and try that. You can see how the prop's pointing up now, the whole motor. So it seems that not even PETG doesn't hold up to these small accidents. Oh well. Back to the printer, I guess. Really disappointed I couldn't fly it today. Just really looking forward to it. But it seems like an easy fix. I'll have to reprint part of it. Or who knows, maybe I'll just put it aside for now and try to reprint it out of lightweight PLA. This is a bit fragile, as you can see. Just touch it and there's also some damage here on the wingtips just from banging it on the floor at home. And it is a great design if you look at the inner structure of the wings. It looks really cool. But their more recent designs are even better. This has taped control surfaces. Recent designs, I have a P-51 Mustang printed. Still working on assembling it. It has some proper hinging of the control surfaces. And that lightweight PLA, see there's so small crack here. Yeah. Can glue these with just plain old super glue, but lightweight PLA is more flexible. Of course, it's lighter. Feels a bit like, I don't know how to explain it. If you know that packaging cardboard, some products come in, something like that. Yeah. So sorry, couldn't get a flight video today, but hopefully next time it will finally take flight. Maybe I'll try hand launching from the get-go. I do have an AR631 with safe in this. Give me the best chances of flying it, even if just for a bit. So let me know if you have any thoughts or suggestions. I'd like to hear your experience if you've 3D printed planes and flown them. Well guys, pretty rough day today, as you saw. And I also crashed another plane, which you'll see in another video. But I didn't let that bring me down. I already started reprinting the Model A in lightweight PLA. I have here the canopy done. This is the old one out of regular PLA. This is the lightweight one. Let me show you the difference in weight. Okay, so this one is 12 grams and the lightweight is 6 grams, so about half the weight. And yeah, basically I'll reprint everything I can with lightweight PLA. For the parts that need strength, I'll use the PETG. And also want to show you the next project. It's also by Eclipson, 3D printed, the P-51 Mustang. I have all the parts printed for this, but I'm still working on the retracts because yes, it has 3D printed retracts. And I just need to finish those and the wings, then the electronics. And this is also really cool. You can see is the fuselage. Already installed the motor mount. And this only weighs about 200 grams. I did some printing mistakes on this, but I'll test and see how it flies. If it flies, hopefully it goes better than it did today. And yeah, with the Model A, I think I'll try hand launching. I'll give up on the gear. Also, being lighter, I hope I can use a lighter 1000 milliamp 3S. Today I was using a 2200. Hopefully it will be lighter overall and it will fly well. Let me know if you want more updates on the build or if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.